Hello and welcome to your first lesson on HTML. In this lesson, we'll be covering the basics of HTML. In full, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard language used to create web pages, and it's the backbone of every website you see on the internet. It's made up of elements that you can use to structure your content and tell the browser how to display it. To create an HTML document, you need a code editor. A code editor is a program that allows you to write and edit code. There are many code editors available. Some are free and others are paid. One popular free code editor is Visual Studio Code. But for beginners, and what I will be using for these lessons, will be Sublime Text 3. It is really easy to use and does not heavily tax your PC's processing power like other code editors. The first thing we need to do is to tell the browser which version of HTML we're using. We do this by adding a doctype declaration at the beginning of our file. The current version of HTML is HTML5, so we'll use that. Next, we need to add the HTML tags that surround the entire document. These tags tell the browser that everything inside them is HTML code. HTML uses opening and closing tags to mark up content. An opening tag is used to indicate the start of an element, and a closing tag is used to indicate the end of an element. Most elements in HTML require both tags, but there are a few that .t need closing tags. We will see such elements as we dive deeper into HTML. The basic structure of an HTML document consists of two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains information about the document, such as the title and any scripts or style sheets that are used. The body contains the content that is displayed on the web page. Code both head and body with opening and closing tags in your code editor. Once you've written your HTML code, you can view it in a web browser. Simply save your code with the .html extension and open it in a web browser. Your web browser will display your HTML document, and you can see how it looks on the web. You can add anything in the body section of your HTML code, save it, then refresh your browser to see the results. And that's an introduction to HTML. With just a few opening and closing tags, a basic structure, and a web browser, you can create your own web pages using HTML. In the next lesson we will cover more elements and fill more content in our code. Happy coding!